Okay, this is my repowered Simplicity Snowblower. I've got the Harbor Freight Predator motor on it. It's a 301cc, 8 horsepower. This originally came with a 5 horsepower motor, but with this upgrade, it really throws the snow pretty good. The other motor went on it, so uh, it just made one good pop one winter, and that was it. I think it broke a piston rod or something because it had no compression at all. So anyways, I got this at Harbor Freight and put this on. Nice little motor. I just had to put I don't know if you could see it, but I had to put a plate. It was like a 1/4-inch plate down there just to extend it a little bit here because the mounting bolts wouldn't quite line up, to get it so the pulley would fit on the belts. Yeah, it's nice. It's a nice engine. And the Snowblower was made, I don't know exactly when, but sometime in the early 70s. Actually, if anybody knows much about these, how you can tell when exactly what date they were made, it's got a tag on it somewhere with a serial number, I guess, but I don't know how to tell. But I know it's made in the early 70s. It's an old snowblower. And these snowblowers are built like tanks pretty much. I did have to, last year, I put auger bearings right down here on both sides. And one in here too. Actually, I'll show you an upgrade I did on this. I did an upgrade on the paddles. This thing has paddles. Let's see if we can see this. See, I put a piece of metal in here because these things are rubber and it bend pretty easily. But I put a 1/4-inch steel metal backing on there, and I did it to each one. There's 3 of them, and she don't bend anymore and throws the snow pretty good. Here, I'll start her up, and she usually starts. I haven't started her up since it snowed last, so that was quite a few months ago. But it usually starts like 2 pulls. So I'll put the gas on, choke, and there's a little switch right here, to on-off switch. Give it a little throttle, and see if she'll start. Almost. What did I do that? Oh, I had it on wrong. I had to choke off. Yeah, that was my fault. I had to choke off instead of on. right here pulls for the auger and the paddles. Yeah, it's noisy. Noisy in here in the garage. Anyways, yeah, this thing, you know, works pretty good. This is for the chute. Turn the chute on it. You got one reverse gear, and it's got up for low, down for high. Just a 2-speed, and got 2 forward gears and 1 reverse gear, and neutral. There's not too much to this thing. It's got a couple belts in here, and then the chain system, and you know, it's a good old machine. You know, with the 5 horse, actually, I don't know why they put 5 horse. I think they're underpowered, if you ask me. The 8 horsepower works, you know, really nice. But yeah, if somebody sees this video and could tell me at what year they actually made these, if there's a way to tell from the serial number or something, let me know. And if you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep on wrenching.